Hey, it's Craig here, and I want you to imagine something for a second. Picture this. You're sitting on your couch, phone in hand, sipping your favorite drink. Only this time, it's not social media notifications or games popping up on your screen. Instead, it's income. Real money. Earnings that come straight to you, all from the device you already use every day. If that sounds impossible, trust me, it's not. I'm living proof that you can turn your phone into a powerful tool for affiliate earnings. And today, I'll show you how to take the first steps to make that happen for yourself. Welcome to video 12 in the CashWave Strategy Vault. We're dialing things in even further with a strategy that strips away complexity, equipment, and guesswork. It's all about my mobile earnings starter kit, or as I call it, earning from your phone. You'll see how I created a system that turns spare moments into steady income without needing fancy tools, extra experience, or a tech degree. I get it. Sometimes starting feels overwhelming. But if you got a phone in your hand and 20 minutes today, that's all you need to get started on this. By the end of this video, you'll have my exact mobile blueprint to follow, complete with tools, apps, and programs that do the heavy lifting for you. Want to simplify and start earning from anywhere? Then stick with me and don't miss the free tools and resources linked below. Let's begin. When I started earning from my phone, I didn't jump into a dozen apps and tools at once. I focused on 3 beginner-friendly programs that allowed me to see success quickly and without the learning curve that stops so many people. These are all part of my Mobile Earnings Starter Kit, and they're some of the fastest, simplest ways to start building affiliate income directly from your phone. 1. WriteAppReviews. I remember my very first commission clearly. It came from a program called WriteAppReviews, and it was such a small win on paper, but it completely shifted my mindset. What is it? WriteAppReviews pays you to test and leave honest feedback on new apps, that's all. No experience, no complicated processes. If you've downloaded and rated an app before, you already have what it takes to start making money with this program. How it works: you access their platform through your phone, pick from a list of apps needing ratings, and write quick reviews to share your thoughts. The better you get at creating thoughtful feedback, the more opportunities open up. What's the payoff? I earned $11.68 while sitting in traffic. That might not sound groundbreaking, but seeing that pop up on my phone, it changed everything for me. It was proof that this works. Those small wins build confidence fast. And with WriteAppReviews, you can see results as soon as you start testing and reviewing apps consistently. 2. Live chat jobs. Once I got the hang of affiliate programs, I wanted something I could do during downtime, like in the evenings or on weekends. Live chat jobs turned out to be the perfect fit. Simple and flexible. This program pays you to respond to live chat messages, helping different brands with basic customer inquiries. All you need is a phone and a little typing skill. Consistent income over time. You earn roughly 50 cents per message. It might not sound huge at first, but what drew me to this was the flexibility. Lunchtimes, commutes, whenever I had a spare moment, I'd hop into the app and earn bit by bit. Anyone can do it. There's no steep learning curve here. If you know how to send a text, you already have what it takes. I loved that live chat jobs gave me control of my income. I could make it work around any schedule, and steady income came from simply showing up and typing. 3. Fiverr. The last program in my mobile stack took me from side hustle to scalable system. Fiverr isn't just an app for outsourcing work, it's a platform that enables you to sell your skills, no matter how small or specific they seem. Start small to build big. I began using Fiverr on my phone to outsource tasks like creating thumbnails or editing my videos. But soon after, I realized I already had skills I could offer myself. Mobile flexibility. Everything Fiverr offers, from managing orders to completing tasks, is optimized to work on your phone. Potential for growth. What starts as a gig delivering quick designs or reviews can evolve into a source of recurring, scalable income over time. These 3 programs make up the core of my mobile-first strategy. They won't overwhelm you, but they will get you started. Once the programs were working for me, I wanted tools to make life even easier. Here are 4 that elevated my efforts, saving me time while improving results. Each one is a game changer. 1. CapCut. If video editing on your phone sounds intimidating, CapCut will change your mind. Professional-grade editing. Made simple. Whether I'm creating content for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts, CapCut makes it seamless. You can trim, edit, and enhance videos entirely from the app. Mobile convenience. I can go from raw clips to ready-to-post content in minutes, even during spare moments. 2. Canva Mobile. Creating professional graphics has never been easier than with Canva, especially its mobile app. Quick designs on the go. Whether I'm making thumbnails, flyers, or promo graphics, Canva's pre-made templates save me hours. Accessible for beginners. You don't need design skills or experience to create eye-catching content with Canva. 3. TubeMagic. For those jumping into content creation, TubeMagic provides a handy shortcut. Fast scripting and planning. TubeMagic helps you generate YouTube scripts and outlines, saving you time and energy when brainstorming ideas. Keep content flowing. I've used this to map out videos fast, keeping my channels active with minimal effort. 4. Repurpose.io. And last but not least, there's Repurpose.io, my ultimate content multiplier. Automatic distribution, I upload one video, and Repurpose.io handles posting it to multiple platforms like Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Boost efficiency. No manual uploads, no repeating tasks. It's a massive time saver. I didn't always have a laptop, studio setup, or fancy equipment. Hell, I didn't even know where to start when I first had the idea to earn online. I had just one resource, my phone. But what I didn't realize at the time is that this one small device was enough. My turning point came when I signed up for WriteAppReviews, sitting in my car during a traffic jam. That single $11.68 payout motivated me to try more. I shifted to live chat jobs in my spare time, built income flexibility, and eventually expanded through Fiverr. That $11.68, it built confidence. And confidence is what turns ideas into systems. Here are some stories from others who've used this system to succeed. Jenny L. from Dallas, Texas. Live chat jobs fit perfectly into my schedule. I made $50 extra each week while commuting. Mike D. from Oakland, California. WriteAppReviews gave me my first win, and now I'm using Canva to promote everything. Tasha V. from Miami, Florida. CapCut and Instant Doodle were my favorite pairings. Content feels simple now. What's held you back from starting? Or have you already taken steps to earn on your phone? I'd love to hear your experiences. Drop a comment below, and I'll read everyone. And if you're ready to start your mobile earnings, download my Mobile Earnings Starter Kit below. Toolkit 6 has all the walkthroughs, program links, and beginner guides you need to take the first step. Don't wait. Many bonuses are time sensitive. Next, in video 13, we'll go deeper into scaling mobile earnings. Tools like TubeMagic, Canva, and Repurpose.io take center stage as we explore content automation at its finest. See you there?